Hi, I'm Vasco and today we will talk about cybercrime. Cybercrime is a term used to describe criminal activities that take place online or involve the use of digital devices. The internet has become an integral part of our lives, and as such, it has provided criminals with new ways to carry out illegal activities, from identity theft to hacking and financial fraud. Cybercrime has become a major threat to individuals, businesses, and governments around the world. Opening. Cybercrime is a rapidly growing problem that affects millions of people worldwide. Criminals are increasingly turning to the internet to carry out their illegal activities, and the consequences can be devastating. In this script, we'll explore what cybercrime is, how it works, and what you can do to protect yourself. What is cybercrime? Cybercrime refers to any criminal activity that is committed online or through digital devices. It encompasses a wide range of illegal activities, including identity theft, hacking, cyberstalking, online fraud, and cyberbullying. Cybercriminals use a variety of techniques to carry out their crimes, including malware, phishing scams, and social engineering. How does cybercrime work? Cybercrime works by exploiting vulnerabilities in digital systems and devices. Cybercriminals use a variety of methods to gain access to sensitive information, such as passwords, bank account details, and personal data. Once they have this information, they can use it for a variety of criminal activities, including financial fraud, identity theft, and extortion. One of the most common ways that cybercriminals carry out their crimes is through malware. Malware is a type of software that is designed to damage or disrupt computer systems. It can be used to steal sensitive data, such as credit card numbers or login credentials, or to gain access to a network. Phishing scams are another common method used by cybercriminals. In a phishing scam, criminals send fake emails or messages that appear to be from a legitimate source, such as a bank or social media platform. The message typically contains a link that, when clicked, takes the user to a fake website designed to steal their login credentials or other sensitive information. The impact of cybercrime. The impact of cybercrime can be devastating. Individuals who fall victim to cybercrime can have their personal information stolen, their bank accounts emptied, and their credit destroyed. Businesses can suffer significant financial losses, as well as damage to their reputation and customer trust. Governments can also be affected, with cybercriminals targeting critical infrastructure and stealing sensitive information. How to protect yourself? There are several steps you can take to protect yourself from cybercrime. First and foremost, it's important to keep your devices and software up to date. This includes installing updates for your operating system, web browser, and other software regularly. These updates often contain security patches that can help protect your system from cyber attacks. Secondly, it's important to use strong passwords and two-factor authentication whenever possible. This can help prevent cybercriminals from accessing your accounts even if they do manage to obtain your login credentials. Thirdly, be cautious when opening emails or messages from unknown senders. Don't click on links or download attachments unless you're sure they're safe. If you're unsure, it's best to err on the side of caution and delete the message. Finally, consider using a reputable antivirus and anti-malware program to protect your system from malware and other cyber threats. Conclusion. In conclusion, cybercrime is a serious and growing problem that affects millions of people worldwide. By understanding what cybercrime is, how it works, and what you can do to protect yourself, you can reduce your risk of becoming a victim. Remember to keep your devices and software up to date. Use strong passwords and two-factor authentication.